In the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful. India, this is very big history in India. One time, Islam migrated in India. That time, Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam alive in this earth. And one king, he heard that Prophet, someone came in Middle East. So he sent one, his, person in Middle East. He wants to make sure who is the Prophet and what his, miracle like. So many people, they don't believe Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is a true like. So those days, every prophet time, non-believer, if he is not believe unseen alone and eternal God, he asks always, can you show any miracle like? Not only Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam time, before prophets also, they show the miracles, but many people, they saw that miracles. After that also they deny and they ignore prophets and they don't believe unseen God like. So Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, his miracle famous in India that time. The guy, he's a king, Kerala side. He was in the night time and he sent one, his person, his soldier or his, VIP like. The guy, he went Middle East, he wants to make sure who is he. So that time he saw on his eyes with sky very, 14-day moonlight like. So that moon is split and he saw with his own eyes. Hindu king is that. After that, he wants to make sure, and the guy who he is sent to make sure, Prophet Muhammad saw miracle or Prophet named Muhammad, and he came back and he give to him detail and he say, I saw over there one, Muhammad, his name, and he's a prophet and he showed the miracle and people asked him, can you show any miracle? So he asked all people over there and they says, split this moon, make two parts like. So he showed that and he did it. He said to, his king, slave, he said to him, he make sure and then he wants to go Middle East. He went Middle East and he become Muslim. He took Shahada. There is no God except Allah, Muhammad is the last messenger like. When he going back his country, India, on the way he died. Why I am talking this? Because Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam not in the India. He was in Middle East, Makkah like. So far. And this news, those days, very hard to be heard that, like, unbelievable, like. This story, suppose if this message go in India, Middle East over there means takes time. Maybe a year or maybe more. But the same time he saw moon split like. That's why he went immediately Middle East and he become Muslim and he died and he graveyard on this, on the way. Reality is this. So pious Muslim alive in the graveyard. So why I'm talking this? Because you have to be no prophet show the miracles. No doubt is that. But Allah friends also show the miracles. That's why in my Vijayawada, Kalesha, Rahmatullah Ali, he is a very famous saint. Sometimes kids come and they want to make, fun like with him. Kalesha. Kids come and he was little far and he become immediately lion-like. He become sometime tiger-like. He become sometime leopard-like. He become sometime horse-like. He becomes sometime elephant-like. So kids, they don't believe that with own eyes. They say, there is no Kalesha. We saw over there, elephant. We saw over there, tiger. We saw over there, leopard. We saw over there, lion. How come we believe this? So sometimes people ask, kids came and they want to be make fun and you show your miracle-like, incarnation-like, you change your personality and you become, tiger-like. He says, yeah, just I want to be make fun for kids. So this is the reality. My saints in India, only Muslims. You can't find any Hindu Maharishi saint or you can't find any Christian saint show the miracles like. This is the only you can recognize Islam. That's why I told you this story. One more thing, if you go in Hyderabad, very famous dargah, there is lion come, tiger come over there. That place dargah they call, tomb is a big one. In the night time, always tiger or lion, they come over there and they clean this all spot in the night time. So people, they don't go over there because this is the rumors spread everywhere in the Hyderabad area. So they don't want to be go, but they know tiger or lion is coming and they cleaning this place like dargah place. And tiger and lion also protect humanity over there. If someone visit in dargah, they protect it like. Even in Maharashtra, you can go and make sure. Even in, snakes, they protect. Even scorpions, they protect. Monkeys, they protect. And lot of animals, they show the miracles like over there. They security guard like in Islam only. I'm not giving you wrong information like you want to be make sure, you want to be become true Muslim, you want to be hereafter life, think for that. Otherwise, I challenge for Jew and Christian, Hindu, they're going in the hell. But remember this, if Allah send you in the hell, not only one day He burn your body, not 1 year He burn your body, not 1 century He burn your body, forever He burn your body and you are in the hell and you screaming, yelling, no one help. That's why I'm scared. Oh Allah, save us from hell. For me and my family and my Muslim brothers, my parents, my neighbors, whoever my siblings, whoever they my relatives. I want to be ask you, oh Allah, we are Muslim, we believe true God. We not saw God, but we believe and we die. I know my all family already passed away. Just now, my wife, she told me her very good friend, she passed away 2 years back, and her son marriage today, and he sent wedding card, invitation card, and there is all his family members late. So this is the reality. One day we die, breath is finished, life is finished. Allahu Akbar.